closed maybe to close, but I don't know. So we're here at the, this is a nice place to eat, you know. Next time. Rainbow Bridge there. Just forward looking for food. Ito lang pala. Now we learned.
Oh no, we wasn't.
Ah, really? Cute. So that's Rainbow Bridge over there. And then that's the Asian market over there. You ready to go? Dito na lang tayo. Halika, yeah. So we're gonna show you where the Asian market is supposed to be at night. But this is not at night. Even if it's open, I don't know. I want to see if there's like Philippines there. Maybe it's just a name. Oh, they have ice cream and stuff. Oh, that's not ice. Oh yeah, they. Niagara. Oh, so pretty. You wanna sit down? Pretty, pretty. This is the view here. No. So pretty. The view is so beautiful. This is the best place to stay when you're watching the fireworks at night. Let's check. Oops.